In 2009, Refugee Law Project launched a groundbreaking documentary on the dramatic consequences of an international gender discourse and local gender norms, coming together to exclude male victims from consideration in interventions designed to address sexual and gender-based violence in conflict settings.
The use of sexual violence, I think, is very much about kind of going right to the heart of individual and group sense of self.
They started by torturing us, beating us. They tore our clothes, and in that darkness we were thrown on the cement. 3 men were bending me over many times over the course of 9 days. They would just come into my compound. After stealing my goats and chickens, they would then come to sodomize me.
They started collecting both men and women from a place called Badege and gathered them in the school, St. Martin.
There were many soldiers who slept with me. That's to say, had sexual intercourse with me.
They were sodomizing the men, and sometimes they would pick your wife while you were watching, and they would dehumanize her in different ways.
It's a sort of vengeance, a sort of humiliation, a way of attacking our identity, so they could diminish us in society.
They would enter any house and defecate in your water pots, and even in your maize flour, or any foodstuff they would come across.
Whether in my ears, my anus, my mouth, wherever they wanted, they would screw me. I know they were government soldiers. During the act, they would not say anything. One of them stabbed me with the bayonet on his rifle. It's God who helped me, otherwise I would have died. So they said to us that we are going to show you that you are women, that you are not men like us.
In northern Uganda, after Museveni's National Resistance Army took power in 1986, some of his soldiers sought revenge by using sexual violence against Acholi men.
And there's one particularly notorious battalion, I think Battalion 118, that was based in Gulu district for a period of about 5 years and was well known for deliberately going out and raping men.
And the fact that men were also homosexual assaulted has come out. But the government itself have not come up to acknowledge or to say sorry about it.
When sexual violence is meted out against men, it's, often it's seen in terms of essentially as a message that, as a man who has been sexually violated, you're no longer a man. You've been made into a woman by the sexual act. In a very sort of gendered, very patriarchal setting, is probably the most fundamental way in which you can attack a man is to say you're not a man.
In 2011, just days before Christmas, 2 survivors in northern Uganda gave consent for their stories to be filmed. When shown the result, they asked that their faces also be shown.
Gangeni ganga ana aber kidaka chiel kilo tena nutia bier madomi di kal kitina lai mena to fa mena to akok benen peti marani pamun ma tim ikome ka chiel gi koma pingana ka guya po mara piero bo ya bier kakine 2 me ang'wen kidi ko chon mano dan yuen fut gu burro apo ga mo no boy gang kanyo no atati ka kacha madonga na yabu gole la yabu komgi kara no dong jo mo kene go keto iti dong go kara kanyim eno ber dul mo pagamente si kit mo wanyang kwere ubero brigade Piera Beach we a beach si dong bin ga mo bino kan lok ma ko ber ka lok ne kar ma kiti ka yela ni ana bero wana duya bera peta dui ke dianga bupenya kama diang tia wacha diang komel en don put oro dio kato ti yole pe ana kan de akana donc ma jomo kene tika chera nyim jomo kene go dong ni kom an ke kwana ke buru ke kara wa jomo kene dong ya kama mena tanu ti ye gina go temo kuno an mi tung barada pedang parong ni pingane an ma ke yaira ke dwa ni jukko ene dum go ber kala nya ye mi na wachi ka jomo go dong ni koma nenu ber chala der ngan mantima tij magi tiu dong tij ger ke ken ma ben kare mer nyu pe mer gina gi wai dong mer yini ye ka wai but pe mer but pe pingano I chawale ne yinu pe ngi ni nyo ge be were nyu pe ge be were mi na ta bene go nywa kuno tiki I manu do tekio mai ngi mi na ta uri dwe marang achil mena ta nywa lenta dong nywa lo be ra tu nywa lo tiang mo to ma ko ne ba ko pe ngone I ka te ko ka dan pul lo to be ka be ki dar ke ten ni ma pe chwa no war re ye an be ne gulan kita I ni mer ci dong ila ka be na ka dawo ni chala dawo mano mio ka wiya po tuo mo chake koma inge mwaka chiel ene do mete dura tu ber ka ile chet ka ya kimio ya pet per pa o cheta o chako kuoto mudu to wa sigitera ya que tiene operation y que ya chico con el guante a corni en el nene chal po bertu pa paruba mi betem alain me buru ma kachal wan cho no pe wa ngiyum ko rete me no nani tiene operation y la chuba ka chulo chente ga mo wi gitana wen ani ya merwa expense wen ani ya mete para mete a aya mi na ta bene ta pa ten pe ngwa lo ruri kar chana be nun kar men mon kit me ariat kan kitenan mo bo ke ariat ben ma ti ati karen ben pe chi me na ta un walo ten mo to ni da ke piera der ma nywa le nu tim en ben ta
makani tira nyu dar kene pera matira na ana ko tira won ki ngam ma ina yene rama tira yela lokka anu ne ci ina no beru open e tira exactly genma o teme kum koni ci kaw no yo makane donge ci no ti te beru yot dar ma tetto genma ono beru hadi kum ko e level ma papat e nyim ko bien ka dar beru nim dar ci jox mia giti ka winyu kin ma in ki buru kwiri in la cho ke ma ke kan ke tiri tu dogo nyama kenyo la tine be na tika ka cha tika wini wara ke buru kwere la cho mo na buru ke wara I winya maraje kum koni kabisa so o mir ke no system o kana manyen wak ke modernizing kit gina ko mano wak olo to in me aki or ko ne e bien mo no you still have life in you bien ke logo ko mena ikin dara mo go ka chen may ke or ko no da ini ko bi doñ ima buj kekeni bien pebe wori di dana eni mighty free.
It is true. You know, here in this training center, have you seen other store there? It's where they store people, they keep people. In the night, they distribute people in a dark. Like man, they give you to a man. That's why 25 people, they were killed in that stream here. Because they refuse completely.
Utime,
Yan ka wana wa cher wa lo ka ja. Ki chue chui bi ti to
Lip.
chui chui. Nero.
Ameri kwe beru gana wandang ba.
Wa wa miti.
Well ada.
Rama kitiro. Yan be kai lo ba konyo.
Konyo.
Mane ni wen wa ni enu ni tik mano peti me actually.
Mana kayang chake pare. Jom chuer tin makai mai. Patang maloya. Ta sa tambala chues. Mbak pura tieni. Okay ke manga kita ya was. Kurbi pen. Kurbi kuma kaya ko tiji kumi. Elok chebe ana gitimu. Yubara juba. Man manong malok ko mer. Nata me nata ko. Sir ma pauye.
Ime wa chi monye no timo pe ka madua ta ento ka ngara ma chel ma ko ka te ke mega dom cheta. Sino ka twaro wa chi pala wa ngara ma.
Ikwa ke ja kwini wanu ngatini. Ini ka ke ja mai tema malet. Matu do ka bini wa ni. Tim malet ko be abe mi ki moni en. Bet ke do koni.
Tin ki ta ki ya pui konyo.
Ke ja do mai wana num pe ke ja ne be bera.
Ikem jo mukene yeni ya ini jali kurti ma ko ma ka an. Awe kauno yen bene no be kauno yen no kulo no gini be kauno yen be peti mo keta an parti no be ngai.
Gamente mo timo balle ana wan ko ko in ki twalo bene ki wera kon we ti lok me tek nguni. Nga chuli ki wajo ki wera ke mielo bene kwere baka meto ngini gin gamente ke timo bal. Ina ento gin gimama ko tang bene.
When you get somebody does not want to hear even the word of the government, the survivor. You try to look there, you try to follow the what? The track. Try to follow the what? The track records. You may get maybe has been torture psychological, all those kind of taboo has happened to you.
Chỉ mà quan hoặc quay ở các cái tên là quan và gì mình quay tiếng nói gìn mấy cái tiếng cũng về mong các cha lúc tẹt gu này em nó chui lên như luộc cái gói gắm tập chui luộc mà có tìm mấy con qua khi chỉ gắm ấy thôi bị gì chui lên này ba cái nó cả bị gì chui lên này.
They went for the human right. They have been denied. That this case is take long. The time you're supposed to report the case is not this time. Maybe for they have their time frames to report such kind of case, they have been ignored. Other people they went even to the human right, they were chased away.
Chú nhá chui em tổ kèr này đồng pe, chú nhá chui em tổ kèr năng cái con mày đồng cái miệng là tê chui chú nhá kèr này đồng pe, chú nhá chui.
Inana ni nimpian wan watiyo ki cheli Kenya. Imi atwera me mete ki yipo piane ni fuda kwanya matiri. Inoni warama.
Opel ko tu dong pelbor ching. Wan ka bro ka romel bor ke mari dong bilebro peke.
Continue using this picture, saying that when a mushroom
Gero ti mame berada. Wa bela nyut. Ke nyoro ba kwere. Berti no mi the boy maduong. Ya pogiri.
Polkar ka wano bino ka chok ngich man wachoyo lok ma ini wachiwa walegene yene wa ka choyo lok ma ini wachiwa ibu wak mano konya to le malok ke choyo report mamwa mono do ka gang tich ke mario ene we mo wor ke kamera wanoni lok mono nywakne omiero mak dunu ke mak cholu ko konywa wa yub na tin gina mak luon video mo cinema mo matiti mana tie pida kia piere nya piere de wiye pa kwe pa ngom badan wo kiye ti amete ma fut pio cher mo bo wo legi ni ka ini twer ye ni wa me choko ngej man ki bore meti ci jo ario enene
Nota pratica kala mo na ye
be
Julius Okwera ma en okonyowa timo mobilization jorweyo dano en ageno dano mapoto kany ma uno ng'eyo.
Gang'eni gang'a an aber kidak achiel kilo tiano nutia pier.
Gen mo teme como tie Julio Okwera teme koma dere karane no apura ti la tiana ti ma kabu ngwen an ni koma ma logane dure ni ga no na logane dok padano no ki logane dok bu yeti de dok pe abi lego wulu tua yo wul kaka yo wulu doj mo biel me konyo wane ni ginde eno mo teme ne obu tamne obu teme bi ke ko wana churi ke ken ke bi dagoi ka wen ben ben ma che mi ario wan mo weti ni atiki pa ka che le ken ma ti ga nyurne di bayar ka nyo won we nge wan mo wetugo ma don ke bur ke tutba yo ke nyar wa ma ke lu tiar wa du weti wa gang wa cha wa ne ba wa ti che ke ho e tiar ne pom pom ne pa o ti me komi nyotiki tuo nyotiki red nyotiki ngoro disable ke waji titi pake un moro mo bino bu bir ka kono wan wen ke bu bir ka kono la ta wan la gor la ngol la mulu angel lo kam po pake apo bu
lok ma ti kwere lo ke dir mane an pero mo te ke dan dok ne no fili mane an ken tu ke lu cha mo na ga ya ber ne an ka mo ka ro do nye tu nya ma le mier wa gang kama ko ye pa da ye ka pa ku mier ti chu ye ne ja ko mu ba wow ti am lo ke pa me mo ni u war ku am le we chi awan ya ti pa ko ye ma tiet ma karo ma chang no ber ka re ni ri ni no ma pa ne pe le o chen te ni ma ono katuere mage romo no kare o ber pin ki jo ni ka cha ke perna no por yan ke kenta ki ja ke mara do ko do ya ke viva
ma tek mo yo ke ko kare ma ki ne dano timu ngo wen aloy ki kengi chio no atiki tamni lek me kumani pura tia winyo beti magoro tij mo ka kan paro tij matek dong konya ngo mabun kurom konya nyo do ka tia kere kwene atini ni ya odo anu kermo ya ko konya tamni ape do ma po penya em
an ma dier ma karwa ko chal ngata do teku ene piada pingon ka dan matino pegi biber ke tek twin matimo gina kitana kon wiati ingen ni ma ke neno sene maliani juma pol ko megeti chok an mage foni muze gina yini timi jema da jimu berga time ento no dan tiki luoro ento wameta ka twere wanung kidio mo wek ben wan ben watiet pega wa wek ben kate kamale